Located in Rotonda West with world-class golf courses, minutes to Boca Grande and Inglewood beaches, welcome to 8 Bunker Lane. With 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and approximately 2,100 square feet, this home has been totally upgraded with an amazing pool and spa area. With this beautiful pool and spa, you have plenty of space here to entertain your family and friends with an amazing view of the golf course and lake view. Hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Come see us at Century 21 Sunbelt at the Birch Team. Hope you'll be my neighbor.